This one is very important. Seasonal demand for rent on Airbnb. What I noticed that a lot of Airbnb hosts and property owners are delusional. They have no idea about seasons and they have unfortunately wrong expectations. Guess what? I made this mistake myself and I was there. When I just begin my journey around 8 years ago, I wasn't aware about the influence of seasons. And I thought, just maybe it fluctuate around 10-20%. But sometimes you can raise the price, you can do a lot of things, you can rent for longer, like you can be booked for longer, like have more days and more money in your pocket, just because you understand the seasonality of your business, seasonality of your specific place, your specific property. That's a crucial piece of knowledge. The market for short-term rentals can vary significantly depending on the seasons and local events. As usual, there is a high season and low season. I have also middle season, right, and super low season. And sometimes we plan even some spikes, right? New Year's Eve or Christmas are usually a big deal for us. So Thanksgiving, Easter can drive up short-term rentals in areas known for their festive celebrations. Maybe some specific holidays. Learn about your audience. Maybe you have Jewish community that is like going to your place. Maybe another community, right? So maybe some local people that really value your property. Learn everything about your audience. Learn about your client as much as you can. We do a specific analysis to understand what kind of users we have at our properties. We can do the same for you. Send me a message or email and we will start this conversation. Events, music festivals, sporting events, and conferences can attract many visitors to a particular area. Guess what? If you're not raising your prices, you leave a lot of money on the table. Weather. In warmer months, we are often seeing increase in demand for the beach and lakefront properties, while during colder months for ski resorts and other winter sports destinations. School vacation, spring break, and summer vacation, families are more likely to book beach rentals and other family-friendly properties during this time. Seasonal activities such as hiking or water sports. Consider adjusting your pricing and marketing strategies to address all the factors. You can offer discounts during low seasons or increase rates during high ones. Research local events and attractions to promote them in your listings and attract guests. Wow. Something is definitely going on. I hope everybody is safe